Guys, welcome to Tech Reader. If you're watching this first time, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell button that you will be notified very soon after I upload a video. We loved Poco F1. That we know that who used the Poco F1 for past few days or past few months, that we know that the phone is fantastic. The performance wise and everything, maybe in the charging wise, everything was very good. There were some rumors that travel in the market recently that Xiaomi is going to shut down its sub-brand Poco and might replace it with Redmi since it's doing really well these days. Several tech analysts also agreed that we might have to say bye-bye to Poco very soon. Something we are not going to accept that, right? Because Poco was very good one, and why they are going to shut down it. But this was being speculated because the company recently launched Redmi K20 and Redmi K20 Pro that fall in the same price bracket that was supposed to be for Poco smartphones. But could these rumors of discontinuation be false? Xiaomi is now reportedly working on launching its another Poco smartphone in the market. The smartphone is expected to be the successor to Poco F1 and might be called Poco F2. According to a report by /Leaks, the smartphone will come with a water drop notch. An image of the screen guard of the device was spotted by the company, which led to the leak. Since Poco is known to launch pocket-friendly smartphones, so it's being expected that Poco F2 will be an affordable smartphone. There will be more leaks for sure before the official launch on this smartphone. But one thing is crystal clear here, that if this smartphone being developed now, then the brand not going to anywhere and we will be getting more smartphones from the brand. Of course, take this entire information with a truckload of salt since none of these sources are verifiable. But something is going to happen. But we know the Poco F2 will come very soon. I expect it to be, and I will be very happy if this happens. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Anas. See you once again. Thank you.